see one woman create one GoFundMe account figure a cartel concert. Now, as much as I want to figure a cartel concert, I would have create one GoFund account to get that place you fix up. He's a recent homeowner. So right now all I want to beg you people is to just help me fix up over here. So I not beg you $1 million, you know. I not beg you $1 million. I just beg like anything where you can send. Look on the rooftop. It look like people fire gunshot up in the roof right there. So I don't know what they do over here. But I beg you now. See the bathroom here. I want to go for me pussy clad. Could the termite them? I call the termite people them from when. And I know me not see them. So I want to see me can fix up the place. This a shower here. I want my little daughter can hold in eye. So I want a dear hope me that they tile there. So I just have a little donation can fix up the place. So, cause me's a hard working man and me I try to make 2 ends meet for my little family. So now NHD give me money to fix his zinc part, the rooftop, but as of the ceiling, we go need me need a little support. Me I beg you now. Jesus Christ, look on that the big old cup that is that there. Got people, I would have loved to go a cartel concert, you know, but me rather to fix up the place first. So when me can make some money, then me go the concert when go keep in a 2026. You hear? Alright. So me want lick out the whole of this a while there because they can hear when we are doing nothing over there. You know? And the rooftop me would have want to fix. Not the rooftop, sorry people, the ceiling. Right? She still left some things in here. Me hope to get them out soon. Jesus, alright. Nobody look over this so people. Anyways, me I beg you no help, you see? Yes, because you know, me know say me a no cartel. And me know say the woman probably look nice and no want her to go a cartel concert go wind up herself. But me just want a little help to fix up my place. Thank you very much. Me go send you the link for the GoFundMe account in the bio. Subscriptions apply. Have a nice day.